I'm Isaac, and today I'm going to share with you how to assemble the Pi 4 computers with Argon 1 and also putting in the SSD drive in this video. So we're going to begin straight away. We have to open these things, all of them. Okay. So inside here is SSD drive, 500 GB. I'll show you where to put it. And this is the Argon 1. It also has its own motherboard. And this is the Pi 4 Raspberry Pi. As you can see. Okay, so what is inside Argon 1 and 2? You can see it has a fan and it has its own motherboards, actually two motherboards.
Keep your hands together.
So the two motherboards, and it has screws packed inside where we're going to screw all this together. So we can as well open. Inside this pack there are screws as well as the silicone. So we are beginning. First we are getting the Argon 1 motherboard. We connect it to the Pi 4 motherboard, just like this. So you apply some little energy gently so that you don't break. And then you see all are aligned together. So that's done. Step 1 is complete. Now step 2, you're going to get the silicones and put them on the processor. Simple like that. You peel off still this, then you put also here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So after that, you're going to get the case, and then you fit this inside gently and swiftly until you see that they're all aligned, as you can see, right from HDMI to the Ethernet cable. All right, after doing that, you fit in gently. So there we are good to go. Then from there, you are going to look at, if you look at these screws, we have the long screws and the short screws. So we are going to use the short screws to fit the motherboard into the case. So there are 4 pins here. So this is the first one. Screw it in. Right. Then I get the second short flat screw. Put it here. So actually there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I put in the second one. There we go for the third one. And last but not least, short screw. Okay, it's here for this 5-4 motherboard. All right, so this is nearly complete. The second step is to go on the third motherboard, which is here. This one, you put there the USB 3 so that it connects with this one, so that the information from this motherboard is shared with this motherboard. All right, so here I'm going to put the SSD drive, which is 500 GB, and that will be done by unscrewing here. And then I get it just as you put in the RAM chips in the computer. I come and put here, and then lower it down here, just like this, and get back the screw. Complete. So from there, the last step is to have this cover fitted into this. So you arrange this as you can see. The USB port here must be aligned with the USB port here, the blue USB port. So this is what we do, like this. Right? So after that, you get in our long screws, and we put this together. We still get this rubber. This is put to reduce friction when this pie is seated on a table or another thing. So it's fit here, such that when it's on the table, it cannot move because of this rubber we're putting here. So there are 4 of them, so we are going to put 4 of them. Second one comes here as well. Yeah. Go for the third screw in here. Okay. Then the last but not least also comes in here. Then you get the USB 3 and you put it here, facing up, as you can see this arrow. So this arrow must face up just as it is aligned here, and then so this will enable communication from this other motherboard to the 2 motherboards which are up here. And by doing this, our device is complete. So you can put here the power cable, you can put here the HDMI cables, and the USB. Here is the Ethernet cable, and our computer is successfully assembled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Behind the camera has been Anita, Kawa's finest content creator. Thank you.